Hey guys, SK File here. Little overview of my Black Canary, Huntress, and Harley Quinn figures. So let's start with Black Canary. This one here is the Alex Ross Justice League Mattel DC Direct. Very nice one, custom base I made. This one here I like a lot, but her joints are very loose. Look how beautiful the face is. Oops, sorry. She is the DC Universe Classics Wave 9 Black Canary from Mattel. Then we have the Arrow TV series Canary figure. Nice detail on that one, especially the paint app. On this side, we have the DC Direct JLA Black Canary from Mattel. And then we have the Hard Traveling Heroes Black Canary. She came with a black skirt. I have that somewhere. But this is her canary head, and this is her civilian head. Then dropping down to Huntress, we have the 5-inch one from the Total Justice line. There were basically two editions of this. One had a fractal tech gear, a huge projectile shooter, and a projectile. This one, I think, was the one in the less gear. I gave her a bow staff. This one here is the DC Universe Club Infinite Earth figure. Nicely done. I don't know what happened to her crossbow. I have a broken one here, but I don't think it went for her. But this one here is DC Direct Batman Hush Huntress, which I really like. She has her shooter and the bow staff. I like how her hair is. And then finally, DC Direct New 52 World's Finest Collectibles 2014 Huntress. She came with this nice big crossbow. So let's move on over here to Harley. We have in the middle here on a custom base, we have the DC Comics Designer Series Harley Quinn from Amanda Connor. She's the traditional one. She's got Bernie the stuffed beaver, and I gave her from the comic, she had this wiener dog named Nathan, so I gave her Nathan a dog dish, a little rug, some Alpo, and a leash. Also these accessories, those are from my diorama of Harley and Poison Ivy in her apartment. She also came with a pop gun. I added a few custom accessories. I made another mallet for her and another weapon there. Actually a real bullet sticking out of that one. Then we have DC Universe's Classic Series 2 Harley Quinn 2008. This is the Gorilla Grodd series. For some reason she has a kind of a bluish tint to her face. I don't know why. And I gave her a speckled hyena. It's either Bud or Louie, whatever you choose. DC Direct Arkham City Legacy Edition Harley Quinn. She came with the candy cane bat. Nice figure. Great detail. And then one of my favorite Harley Quinn figures is actually not Harley. It's Harley Quinzel, which is, of course, her doctor identity. And I gave her a whole lot of accessories. She came with a clipboard. I don't think it's this one, though. I don't know what happened to hers, but she has one. And I have given her all sorts of stuff. The stuff there are things that she uses when she's doing her psychoanalysis, inmate records, or Arkham. She has a FBI badge when she has to go to the FBI. And she's got homemade pencil, mirror, Chinese food, coffee cup, milkshake, whatever. These are some medicines. She's got a couple different things she can inject. That was from the what was the name of the figure? I can't remember. But he was a doctor at Arkham too. So it's a computer. So there's Harley. Actually, Dr. Harley and Quinzel. Beautiful figure. It's got a little mistletoe. It's got her ID badge. One of my favorite figures of all. So there you go. Hope you liked it. I'm out.